Vidyadham School was started to educate rural children, poor rural children. The objective is to provide good quality education which is absent in the rural areas.
We use innovative ways to teach the children here. We have an audio-visual room and also a computer lab. So I think all these techniques makes us teach them, help us teach them better.
The quality of education does not come by voluntary teaching. It has to be an engaged, continuous process. If it cannot be that, then it cannot make that impact. And that can happen only if I start a school of my own. Because I have to carry on this process right from 1st standard to 10th standard. That being the case, I think we need to get quality teachers. And quality teachers coming such a big distance is not easy. So what we are doing is, we are trying to take local teachers who have the basic skills, develop them, train them, make them teach, at least at the lower levels.
All of you look here. What color is this?
We don't try to teach the children in a conventional way. We stumbled upon Jolly Phonics. Then we are using concepts to teach maths. We try to teach them with a lot of activities interspread with playtime and story time. What we see is the children naturally take to education. So what really happens, even in LKG, with these first generation learners, they are able to read all the 3-letter words in the very first year of education, which I think is remarkable.
Basically, our school believes in teaching them good values and good habits and build a strong character for them.
The few challenges that we face is, one, of course, is funds, because we provide free education, free food, free uniform, free books, free transport, everything is free to the children. We don't charge them anything at all. And that apart, of furniture, computers, TVs, then to pay the salaries of the school, of the teachers. Water is unavailable in these places. Electricity is a big problem. Transport is another huge issue. We serve nutritious food to the children. As the numbers increase, this will remain as a challenge as to how to keep it going. Providing uniforms to so many children, or we need to create a library in the school. Going ahead, I think that these are the few challenges that we need to address. We are very careful about selecting the children. We want each child to be a deserving child. So I personally go to each of the houses of these children and make sure that the income of their parents are not more than 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. They are either coolies, or they are laborers, or they are unemployed, or the parents are destitute, or that kind of children is what we pick up. So we ensure that all the children here are all first generation learners. Their parents are not learned. I think that if these children had not been in this school, they would have either been in government school and maybe after 4 or 5 years dropped out, or they wouldn't have got educated. And instead of becoming a liability to the society or to the country, I think they will become proud citizens one day. And that is exactly what I want.